Now this is the differential equation, d2y upon dt square minus 4dy by dt plus 3y is equal to 0, and given the conditions are given, y of 0 is equal to 2, y dash of 0 is equal to 2. So this means when t is 0, y is 2, and t is 0, y dash, that is dy by dt, is equal to 2. So we have to solve using matrix method. So in this type of equation, always we have to put dy by dt is equal to x1 and y is equal to x2. So now dy by dt is equal to x1 and y is equal to x2. In each and every question, we have to put dy by dt is equal to x1 and y is equal to x2. So now in this equation, here term is d2y upon dt square. So how we will get it? We have to differentiate this with respect to t. So if we differentiate, so we will get d2y upon dt square is equal to dx1 upon dt. Okay, and this again, this equation, instead of this y we can put x2 here. So what we will get? dx2, instead of y we have put only x2, dx2 upon dt is equal to x1. Now we have to put the values in equation 1. So here we will get dx1 upon dt minus 4x1 plus 3x2 इज इक्वल टू 0. क्या किया हमने? सिर्फ इसके प्लेस पे ये वाली वैल्यू डाली है, -4 इस dy बाई dt की जगह पे x1 डाला है और y की जगह पे x2 डाला है. सो दिस इज द वन इक्वेशन, एंड दिस वी कैन राइट dx1 अपॉन dt इज इक्वल टू 4x1 माइनस 3x2. ओके, और यहाँ से क्या मिलेगा? सेकेंड इक्वेशन फ्रॉम दिस वन, dx2 अपॉन dt इज इक्वल टू x1 प्लस 0x2. वी कैन राइट दिस इन द फॉर्म, ये वाला इक्वेशन इस फॉर्म में लिख सकते हैं. नाउ दिस टू इक्वेशन, ये दो इक्वेशन को हम मैट्रिक्स फॉर्म में लिखेंगे. सो हाउ कैन वी राइट इट? dt ऑफ x1 x2 is equal to now 4 minus 3 1 and 0 x1 x2. Now here this is in the form of ax is equal to, sorry, ddt of x is equal to ax. Now x is x1 x2 and a is, where a is 4 minus 3 1 and 0, and x is x1 x2. Now check it, these two equation we can write in the form of matrix ddt of x1 x2 4 minus 3 1 0 and x1. इसको expand करेंगे तो क्या मिलेगा? 4x1 minus 3x2 is equal to ddt of x1. ddt of x2 कितना मिलेगा? 1x1 plus 0x2, like that. So these two equation we can write in the form of matrix. Or what is a now here? A is this 4 minus 3 1 0, and what is x? X is x1 x2. Now to solve this equation we have to find the modal matrix for A. So we have to find A minus characteristic equation निकालेंगे, lambda I minus A determinant is equal to 0. तो lambda I minus A कितना आएगा? या फिर A minus lambda I निकालते हैं, we can find anyone, or we can find A minus lambda I is equal to determinant is equal to 0. तो ये कितना आएगा? 4 minus lambda minus 3 1 minus lambda डिटर्मिनेंट इज इक्वल टू 0. इसको सॉल्व करेंगे तो माइनस लैम्डा 4 माइनस लैम्डा प्लस 3 इज इक्वल टू 0. नाउ एक्सपांड दिस वन, विल गेट प्लस लैम्डा स्क्वायर माइनस 4 लैम्डा प्लस 3 इज इक्वल टू 0. फ्रॉम हियर वी विल गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ लैम्डा. लैम्डा इज इक्वल टू 3 और लैम्डा इज इक्वल टू 1. सो फर्स्ट वैल्यू ऑफ लैम्डा इज, सपोज लैम्डा 1 is 1 and lambda 2 is 3. Now we had to find for these two values or eigenvalues, we had to find the eigenvectors corresponding to these eigenvalues. So let y1, already हमने x1 x2 लिया है तो हम यहाँ लेंगे let y is equal to, for the value of eigenvector y1 and y2 are the eigenvector. For the values of lambda eigenvalues, we are let the y is equal to y1 y2 be the eigenvector such that ay is equal to lambda y, or we can say a minus lambda I into y is equal to 0. Okay, so for this value what we have to put, a minus matrix a minus lambda I, that is equal to 4 minus lambda minus 3, 1 minus lambda into y1 y2 is equal to 0 0. So we have to find the value of, we have to form this equation. Okay, so now we have to expand this one, so we'll get 4 minus lambda into y1 minus 3 y2 is equal to 0. 4 minus lambda into y1 minus 3 y2 is equal to 0. y1 into 1, that is y1 minus lambda y2 is equal to 0. So these two equations we are getting. So put for lambda is equal, for lambda is equal, lambda 1 is equal to 1 डालेंगे हम यहाँ पे, तो हमको क्या मिल रहा है, 3y1 minus 3y2 is equal to 0 and y1 minus y2 is equal to 0. Now see here, both the equation, if we divide 3 by 3 first equation, so what we will get, y1 minus y2 is equal to 0. So both the equations are same. Now two equations are there and one equation is there and two unknown is there, so we have to consider any one value. So let y2 is equal to 1, so y1 is also equal to 1. So corresponding to lambda is equal to 1, our eigenvector is 1 and y1 is 1 and y2 is 1. So this is the eigenvector for lambda is equal to 1. So for lambda is equal to 3, we will put lambda is equal to 3 here. So 4 minus 3, 1, that is y1 minus 3y2 is equal to 0 और यहाँ पे डालेंगे lambda की वैल्यू 3, तो y1 minus 3y2 is equal to 0. So both the equations are same, so we can put let y1 let y2 is equal to 1, तो y1 कितना हो जाएगा, 3. So the corresponding to lambda is equal to 3 eigenvector is 3 and 1. So the modal matrix for matrix A is suppose B and B is the eigenvector 1 के लिए, lambda 1 के लिए हमारा eigenvector है 1 and 1 और इसके लिए है 3 and 1. So this is the modal matrix for matrix A, जो हमारा A निकला था उसके लिए modal matrix ये हो गया. Okay, then now the B is the modal matrix and the solution of this equation is x1 x2 is equal to b into c1 e to the power of lambda 1 t c2 e to the power of lambda 2. This is the solution for equation number 1, solution of equation number 1. So we have to put the value of b, that is x1 x2 is equal to, हम b की वैल्यू डालेंगे 1 3 1 1 and c1 e to the power of lambda 1 is 1, तो e to the power of t and c2 e to the power of lambda 2 की वैल्यू है 3. अब इसको एक्सपांशन करेंगे तो हमको मिलेगा x1 is equal to 1, that is 1 into c1, that is c1 e to the power of t plus 3 c2 e to the power of 3t. अब हम डालेंगे, sorry, this is next equation, x2 is equal to x2 is 1 into c1 e to the power of t plus c2 e to the power of 3t. So now we got two equation, x1 is equal to c1 e to the power of t plus 3 c2 e to the power of 3t. x1 is dy by dt, already हमने पहले put किया, dy by dt is x1 and y is equal to x2. So from these two equation we had to put the condition when t is 0 y is 0. यहाँ पे हम डालेंगे t is 0 तो y की वैल्यू 2 है और t is 0, so dy इसकी वैल्यू भी कितनी है 2. So यहाँ पे डालेंगे t, तो दिस dy by dt is 2 is equal to e to the power of 0 is 1, t is 0, so c1 plus 3 c2 and दूसरा जो है y is equal to डालेंगे 2 is equal to c1 plus c2. Now this we got these two equation और इसको हम सॉल्व करेंगे, माइनस करेंगे तो वी कैन चेक इट, ये भी कैंसिल हो जाएगा, ये भी कैंसिल हो जाएगा, तो C2 वी विल गेट 0 एंड C2 का वैल्यू 0 डालो तो C1 कितना आएगा 2, C1 इज 2. सो अब इसमें हम डाल देंगे C1 की वैल्यू 2, सो y इज इक्वल टू 2 e to the power of t plus 0. So this is the solution for the required